In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a window type in Revit. If you've placed a window and realize it needs a different size or style, there's no need to delete it and start over. We'll select the existing window, use the type selector in the properties palette to swap to another type, and if that option isn't available, load the window family so the right type shows up in the list. Start by selecting the window in your model. Click directly on the window element. You'll know it's selected when temporary dimensions appear and the properties palette updates with window information. If elements overlap, hover and press Tab to cycle until the window highlights, then click. Confirm you have the window selected before moving on. With the window selected, look to the top of the properties palette for the type selector dropdown. This menu lists all the types available for the family that window belongs to. In Revit, a family is the category, like a casement window, and a type is a specific size or variation within that family. Open the drop-down and choose the type you want. For example, switching from a 900mm casement to a 1200mm casement. As soon as you pick a type, Revit updates the window in place. Take a quick moment to confirm that the new size still aligns with the wall opening, sill height, and any constraints in your model. Switching type changes the selected window. Keep in mind that type properties are shared by all instances of the same type. If the type you need isn't listed, you'll load the family that contains it. Go to the Insert tab and choose Load Family. Browse to your Revit library, open the Windows category, and pick the family that matches your design intent. Choose the library that matches your project units, such as metric or imperial, then load it. Once it's in the project, return to the type selector with the window still selected. You'll now see the newly loaded family and its available types in the drop-down. Choose the type you need, and the model updates immediately, keeping your placement and orientation while changing the size or style. That's all there is to it. Select the window, use the type selector to choose a different type, and load a new family if the option you want isn't available. This approach is quick, precise, and keeps your model coordinated without unnecessary rework.